Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add WeChat video to favorites. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app. Tap on the Discover option from the bottom of your screen. Here in the Discover section, you can see the channels option. Simply tap on it. Now scroll up or down and find the video that you want to add to favorites. Once you have found the video, tap on the share icon located at the bottom of your screen. In the menu that appears, you will see the favorites option. Simply tap on it to add the selected WeChat video to your favorites. And this is how you can add WeChat video to favorites. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.